12th problem. The sides AB, BC and the median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to the sides BQ, QR and the median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So it is given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. And also, since AD is the median, it divides the opposite side BC into equal halves. So we can say that BD is equal to DC. Same way in triangle PQR, PM is the median. So QM will be equal to MR. So that is also given. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now it is given that AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. Here BC can be replaced with 2BD and QR can be replaced with 2QM because BD and DC are equal. So we can write it this way. Here 2 and 2 we can cancel out and the ratio will become AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. Now using the SSS similarity, we can say that triangle ABD and triangle PQM, they are similar because the ratio of all three sides are equal. So therefore, since these two triangles are similar, we can say that their corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, angle ABD and angle PQM are equal and angle ABC and PQR are equal. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, already the ratio of two of its sides is given as proportional and we have already proved now that the included angle ABC and PQR are also equal. So we can say that by SAS similarity, the triangles ABC and PQR are also similar. 13th problem. D is a point on the side BC of triangle ABC such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC, that is the marked angles are equal. Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Now we have a triangle, in triangle ABC, ADC and BAC are already given equal and angle C, this angle, is common angle for both the triangles. That is BCA is equal to angle DCA as it is a common angle. So therefore by AA similarity we can say that triangle BAC is similar to triangle ADC. And since the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore CA by CD is equal to CB by CA. And after cross multiplying we will get CA square is equal to CB into CD. 14th problem. Sides AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that ABC is similar to PQR. Now here again, since AD is the median, we can say that BD is equal to CD and QM is equal to MR, and also these ratios are given equal. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Now this proof will be slightly different from the previous proof because here the ratio BC by QR, that is this base, is not given equal. Instead here this side AC by PR is the given ratio. So here we have to do a construction. We will produce AD, that is this median AD, will be produced to the point E in such a way that AD is equal to DE. And we will also join CE. Similar construction will be done in PQR as well. That is the median PM will be extended to the point N in such a way that PM and MN are equal, and we will also join RN. After doing the construction, we will consider the triangles ABD and CDE. That is triangle ABD and CDE. These two triangles we will consider. Now in these two triangles, we have AD equal to DE by construction, BD equal to DC since AD is the median, and angle ADB and CDE, they are vertically opposite angles. So by SAS we can prove that these two triangles ABD and CDE, they are congruent. And by CPCT we can say AB is equal to CE. So this side AB is equal to CE. Similarly, in triangle PQM and MNR, that is of this triangle PQM and MNR, similar way we can prove them congruent. And by CPCT we can say that PQ and RN, they are equal. Now we have this ratio AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Here in place of AB and PQ, we can substitute CE and RN as we have already proved them equal. After making the substitution, we will get CN by RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Now here again AD by PM, we can write the ratio as 2AD by 2PM, that is multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2. And we already know that 2AD is equal to AE because by construction we have drawn DE equal to AD. So AE can be written as twice of AD. Same way 2PM can be written as PN. So we get this ratio CE by RN is equal to AC by PR is equal to AE by PM. So therefore triangle ACE, this entire triangle ACE will be similar to triangle PRN by SSS similarity criteria. So we have proved all the three sides of this triangle, they are proportional. So triangles are similar by SSS. Now that they are similar, their corresponding angles should be equal. So therefore angle 2 and angle 4, they are equal. Now same way, if we join BE and follow the same steps which we have followed above, we can prove that angle 1 and angle 3 are also equal. So we will just write similarly, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now we will add equals to equals, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So therefore angle A and P are equal. Now in triangle ABC and PQR, already we have two sides proportional which is given to us, that is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, and we have just proved the included angles A and P are also equal. So therefore we can say that by SAS similarity, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar. 16th problem. If AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and PQR respectively, where ABC is similar to PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Now in this question the triangles are already given similar. Now AD and PM are the medians corresponding to sides BC and QR. Now as the triangles are given similar, we can say that the corresponding sides of similar triangles should be proportional. Therefore AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to CA by RP. Also the corresponding angles should be equal. So angle A and angle P are equal, angle B and angle Q are equal, and angle C and angle R are equal. So these two conditions we get from the similarity of triangles. Now because AD and PM are medians, so we can say BC is equal to twice of BD and QR is equal to twice of QM. So in this given ratio, we can replace BC and QR with 2BD and 2QM. So we get this ratio. Here 2 and 2 we can cancel out. Also angle B and angle Q are equal. This is also from the similarity of triangles. So therefore by SAS similarity we can prove that triangle ABD and PQM, they are similar. So these are the triangles ABD and PQM. We have proved them similar. So therefore their corresponding sides should be proportional. So AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. The last problem, 15th problem, is an application based problem of similarity of triangles. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. So this is the vertical pole, that is AB, and the shadow is BC, 4 meter long. At the same time, we have a tower of height h meters which casts a shadow, that is EF, 28 meters on the ground. We need to find out the height of this tower h. Now we will use similarity of triangles here to find out the height h of the tower. We have to prove first that triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are similar. Now here you can see that angle B is 90 degree because this pole is vertical. So the angle between the pole and the ground will be 90 degree. Same way, angle between the tower and the ground will also be 90 degree. So one angle in both the triangle is 90 degree each. Also, the angle of elevation of the sun, that is angle A and angle D, that will also be equal because at the same point in the day they are casting this shadow. So these angles A and D are also equal. So by AA criteria, we can say that the triangles ABC and DEF are similar. After proving the triangles are similar, we can say that their sides are proportional. So therefore AB by DE is equal to BC by EF. Now here we will substitute the values of AB, BC and EF, and DE is H. So we will write H in place of DE. Then we will cross multiply and we can find the value of H as 42. So the required height of the tower is 42 meters.